Okay, so this was our project which we were doing in yesterday class. So I have added one more field here, and I have done this drop down list. Okay. So suppose I wanted to add one more field here from here. So what I will do, I have told you how do you do that. So I told you alter command. Okay. Alter table, then table name. Table name was the student. If you remember, student two. Then command is add. Then the column name. Suppose I'm adding one field name as address. Address one. Okay. Adding one field name as address one. Okay. Forgot to add the data type here. So that is var cap. And I will change it to 40. I'm giving the size 40. So see one column has been added to this table. Let's see whether it has been added or not. So you select all from then the table name that is student two. Here I will execute and you can see address column has been included. In the other class I have in the other batch I have included city. So I'm showing you the address number. So now I have included one more. Now how I can send that data from our application to this when there has been a changes in the database. So what we need to do? So we need to do what we need to do here. First in this grid view also we need to add our data source. So I'm deleting the existing data sources. So I will go to this place. I will go to here and I will click new data source. Okay. And I will select this SQL and I will create a new connection. Okay. So for this also I will create a new connection. When student 2, you can see now there are 4 columns here. Okay. Then click next. Then I will put your test query. This is column. Then I'll click here. Okay. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay. And now I'm going to run here from here. I will written here and click and then this I'm giving here and then from here I'm selecting city like Mumbai here, insert here. Okay. We have not added the column. So what we'll do, I'll go to the insert here, and from here I will like drop down list. I have added. See, I have added drop down list. So drop down list is already there. It was not there in the yesterday class. So for drop down list, what you need to add the property is selected item dot text because you are selecting the text. So for new column, what we need to do, you just need to copy this single quote, double quote from comma. After the comma, you have to copy single quote, double quote, plus sign, and this plus sign, and just put a comma and paste it here. And from here, you need to write down the text box, but we have not added the text box. So what I will do here, I will insert row below, and here I will write down. Here I will write down the address field. So let me check in at the database address one is it. So here also I will add address. So add the field here address. Okay. And for this I will take one more text box from here. Okay, so I've added it. Now it will work because in database there was one more column and we have not added one more column. Now we have added it. So now let's add it. Okay. So I'm writing team name here, then enrollment number suppose. So from here I will select city. Suppose I'm selecting as Mumbai, and address I will select as suppose Mumbai here. So 23 Leila Road, Mumbai, and click on address. Okay. And so now let's check it from here whether it is inserted or it is not. So you can see Tim, this value Mumbai, and this has come into the database. And here also, if you wanted to see, if we run once again, then in the grid view control, you will be able to see as in added. So both things we are doing together. We are doing the select command also here, and indirectly in the grid view control. So if you are using, if you wanted to show on the page, then you need to use the grid view control. Okay. So I've added this and I have shown it here also. Okay. So this way you will use it. So this is the way of using it, doing it. We use this second way, then this red view, and then this city one, then this address. Okay. So you can use both the commands. You can use that command also. You can use this command also. Then there is a cancel button here. The button is blank because you don't want to use that here from here. So from here, what will do? There is a property known as text mode. So this is username, then enrollment number, then this. And there is a city, then then insert, then cancel. This is there one, and from here it is there. And this is the design view. Okay. So this is the design view here. I'm just pasting the design here. And we have a code view. And we have code view here. First we have a design view, then we have a code view. I've sent it out to you. Okay, so this is what I will send it to you. And now let's discuss about something about the project. So this is all from the site. Now you need to develop the projects. I will show you one or two of the projects. So like one without database, that is very simple one, and the other one I will show you with the database. So let me click on. So I will click on okay, open, then website, and I will go to this here, and then I will click it. Okay, and I clicked it here. Yes, I clicked it here. Okay, now I wanted to run this application for you. Right, I'm clicking right click and I'm going into the view in browser. So here we have home, then we have about us, and we have this. So see, I have created two pages link, and this is a very basic one. And this plugin is not supported there because this project has been made on very previous version of the Visual Studio, and this is SWF file. And now the browsers are not supporting SWF file. That is this is a type of animation I have put it here, but this plugin is not supported now with the browsers. So you can put any image or something here, like one image has been there. So this is a form of a table. This website is in form of table. This is also an image. This is also an image, but it is in form of a link. And the same links are here also. So click on about us. So and if you click on about us here, you will be on the same page. Then you can see this is a training company that provides training. So different resources. So like I have put it all the details here. So this is because of the table, and in the midway we have I have put it in the TD, I have put it this data. And from about us we can about us already I've shown you. Then you can go to the web services. Web services like what services we are providing. Okay, you can go from here also. And these are the services, these are the links. So if you click on this, then you will go to the if you are connected to the internet, you will go to the live website. So this is a modern one which has been designed afterwards. This design has been designed afterwards. And then there is a training portion here. So so this is in a table. This is program duration. Then there is fields option here. Then you can see this has been created. This table I have created here. Program, then duration, then minimum, then fields, and this is here. This is and from here I'm giving this contact page from here, and from here then we have quick inquiries. I can write a mail. I can write an inquiry on animation like this. Is connected to your that uh, API because in my one it is not connected to the API. So once it is connected to the API, what is API? API is an application programming interface. So that API you need to buy from your vendors like Airtel, Vodafone, whatever from wherever you buy that API. You connect into this background here. Then that is a you must have heard the name of bulk SMS services. So if you buy a bulk mailing services, then you can connect to this, and once it is connected, that send button, that error was coming on the send button, that will work, and it can go to that particular address. Okay, so that it will work. So it will go to this mail ID, your mail ID, and this will go to the background of the company, and the company person will then contact you. Okay, you can add more columns in. So this is a very basic one which I can develop. And if you talk about the other application that is little better than this one, that has a database. But that database will not work because just I'm going to show you that application. Database, I have shown you how to connect. So that I have not been able to connect here because that has been sourced from the different hard disk. But it will work. Let's show you. Spark. So I will share one of the files here. I will send one of the projects, the first one that I have shown you, and from there you can just go to them and then you can use any like this explorer. I go to this page. You can see this. So these are connected to the database. This will not, this page will not be showing any data. This is the same grid view control which we are seeing just now. Look at this. This is not having start and this some design. It has I think some design. So let me hand it into the browser. Similarly, like book project. This project has some animation part, although this has also been developed into the previous versions. There is a not one. This is a discussion page. If you look at the index page, I have to run the pages separately because it has not been linked. Pages has not been run the pages separately. So you can see there was an animation on the cursor. So let's click on topic view and go to this design here. Here you can see right here to the browser here. So suppose this is the page and if I go here and I click on view here. So if I go to here from here, I can select this, select and move them. I can write down the username, Indian user, and password is ABC. Like this. So like this, and from here, email. And what great user here. Again, the password is password are not matching. That is why it is showing. Validation is there. Like I'm not connected, I told you, do not connect to the that. So let's disconnect it. We'll go back to that place. Okay. So this is how the page has been developed. So like this, the whole project has been developed. These menus will also work if they are connected. I will go to from the different file where I have worked this. So these points are not connected. Okay. So I have compressed it. I will share the file with the admin and I will share this project with you. So I will not be available from tomorrow onwards till the Monday. Maybe I will return on 26th. So I'm giving you 1 to 3 days time to complete your project. Once again, I need to tell you the project is college management system. So like I have already developed some pages and I have shown you faculty page, student page. So you just create 4 or 5 pages in your project and try to connect them to the database and see that you are able to design it or make it or not. Okay, so that for your reference, I will send this rapid rain one which I was showing you. So this is a complete running project. So I will send this one to you. From here, you can click the reference
Sir,
your database. Yes. Yeah. Tell me.
sir, if you want to write in the form of coding, sir, college management system project.
You can write. You can write. You can just write it there, and you can write it into Word file also, and you can just create the project. And once the project is created, then they will you think they will process your certificate and whatever.
Sir,
Okay.
and which you want to send in the form of PDF, sir.
You don't have to send it to me. You have to submit that into your college. That side only. Don't have to submit me. In the next class, if it is on Saturday, I don't think so. It will they will be taken. But if it's on Monday on 28th, Then I will just allow you to share your screen and you can show me your project. Okay, so that I can see whether what we have progress here done. And after that we can then I will see on few of them so that others also get an idea. And I will share this project which I was showing you just now. So this has been compressed. You just uncompress it when it goes to your system and you open it like this. Okay, like I have opened it. So this was the project. I have compressed it. I will send it. If you uncompress it, it will be like a form project. You go to this file, you go to open, you go to click on website, and you just select the folder name. So Rapid Brain was the project. I click on OK. So see it is open now. If I click on any of the pages, go to the design. I can see the project. I can just right click and I can just simply do this like. And you can see the source also. So this is running here. And on this, you can go to the source of this. The double quotes you see, I have written everything in a paragraph on. Okay. You can write it also, you can copy something from the internet, but don't copy complete from the internet because that will also copyright violation. Actually, you should not copy everything. Okay. And try to complete with this thing. So I told you this is a SWF file. This is not supported in nowadays browsers, but if you run on the old browsers, you would see here on file which is running the content image. Okay. So that's it from today class. I will share the file and you need to do just make all the registration pages, make the student page and all connect all of them to different tables, create different tables in the database like I have created 3 or 4 tables I have connected to 1 or 2 tables to for you. Like a student, faculty, teacher, I have made this IIT college first make the database, then make the tables and the type of columns, the number of columns you make into the database, you have to design your form according to that. Okay, and send into the same order to the database. So I will share that database code also. Yesterday one also and today one also. I will share this and send it to. So yesterday one was not working, but today this one is working. There is slight error, but today it is working. So I will send all of them. Okay. Whatever changes I have made, I will just share that code also with you, and then you can just do it and just show me on continue. Just unsharing my screen, and what we need to do is we need to just do it. And if any problem you are facing, then you can discuss me next time you show the project.